So tonight, for Fat Tuesday, for the start of Mardi Gras, or the end of Mardi Gras, I can never remember how exactly that thing works out. Anyways, it's Fat Tuesday. We've made a recipe from Emeril Lagasse's cookbook, a New Orleans cookbook. And so it's his take on some Cajun and Creole recipes. And this is a Creole pan steak smothered with wild mushrooms. And so we changed it up a little bit, and we're actually gonna, well, we already did, we're gonna sous vide this ribeye, then we're gonna sear it in the pan, and then we're gonna put our mushroom and onion mixture on top with lots of butter. So how does that sound, young lady?
I think it sounds good.
All right, so first thing, we're gonna turn on our burner, and this means noise. So we're gonna turn that on. So one of the cool things we do is we actually made a spice blend, and we used Arthur Wayne's Dirty Dozen dried pepper mix. So this is Arthur Wayne's Dirty Dozen. This is a dried pepper mix that has chocolate bootlas, cayenne, red Fresno, Moruga scorpions, everything hot in the world. So we use very little of this because we didn't want to destroy anyone's taste buds. But what we're going to do is we're gonna, who's our friend, Vita? Butter. Butter is our friend. We're gonna put the butter in. So we're gonna put the butter in. Oh yeah! We're making Cajun food, so we might as well have some Zapp's potato chips, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Of course, these are crawfish flavor, so.
How is it?
It takes 2 chips for the butter to melt. Oh my God. Should have been 1 chip. We'll cut all this stuff, cut, chop, chop. All right.
I think you should keep it.
So we're gonna pull our steak out of the sous vide. It's been at 121 degrees for 2 hours. So it is perfect rare. I want it rare. It's a ribeye. I don't want medium rare. So as you can look at this beautiful steak. Come here. Come. Steak's over here. This is also rare. This is the important part.
Oh, okay.
Steak. So we're gonna take our spice blend, and we're just gonna pat it in, and like Emeril would say, 2 things. I don't like one-sided tasting food, and all right, we got our steak all seasoned. Our butter is melted.
So you
We're going
rub
into the
your
pan.
meat.
Oh, behave. Yeah. Yeah, baby.
This is going into here. Here we go. You want to get a close up? Oh, quick a second. Woo! And that's gonna sizzle and get happy. And part of our thing is we're gonna baste with the butter. So it's gonna take about a minute aside. So we'll let that get happy. And like I said, it's a great thing about doing sous vide is your steak is done so quick because all you really have to do is just sear the outside. You don't have to do a bunch of other cooking. And I'm gonna sneak, Ooh. That's how tender that is. Look, that is already seared. All right. So we're gonna do that other side. Now, we're gonna add in our mushroom and onion mixture. So we're just gonna go ahead and put that all over the side. Let that get in there. Get that back up. Let that get happy in that butter. Forgot my main implement, the fork. Now I think I turned it a skosh early on the side, so I'm actually gonna redo that a little. Ooh. Look at that deliciousness. All right. So let's, should we do another flip, Vita?
I think so.
All right. And so the idea is I just want to sear this. In fact, I'm cranking it to 10. 10. All the way to 10. If this thing could go to 11, would I turn it to 11?
The numbers all go to 11.
So about 30 more seconds and our steak will be done. You like rare steak?
Yes.
Yes, we do. Because we're meat eaters, right? So, and this is a certified Angus ribeye. So, what other steak is there besides the ribeye? The tenderloin.
Where did you get it from?
It doesn't matter where I got it from. But this is pirate beef. So, I think that's what we're going to call anything that's not excellent. So let's go ahead and we're going to plate it up. And this is so simple of a plating. All we're going to do is we're going to take our steak, put it right in the middle. We're going to cut that heat. And now we are going to smother it with our mushrooms and peppers. Now come on. Does that not look good, Vita?
Exceptional.
Well, there we have it. This is the Creole ribeye smothered with onions and mushrooms. Pretty decent, eh?
I think so.
So what do you say? Are we gonna eat this bad boy?
I think so.
Let's eat this bad boy.